Hey loves! In today's video, I will be creating two different styles of DIY Valentine's Day room decor. I purchased these 3 wooden storage boxes from Dollar Tree. When I saw them, I thought they would be perfect for this DIY, and I'll be able to make a second holder with the drawer inserts. Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up this super glue wood glue. I'm starting off by outlining one of the wooden boxes with the wood glue. Then I'm going to pick up another wooden box and gently press them together. I noticed that these boxes were uneven, but the glue instantly secured them together. I just pressed them down a little longer to make sure that they wouldn't come apart. After making sure that the boxes were secure, I got a little bit of water on a napkin and removed the excess wood glue. While my holders are drying, I'm going to move on to my second DIY. I also purchased these wooden trays from Dollar Tree. And at Walmart, I picked up these 2 apple barrel paints for $1.50 each. I purchased the CraftersvSquare 5-pack sponge brush set, as well as their 5-piece paintbrush set from Dollar Tree. These hearts are a part of the Decor 48-piece Valentine's Day wooden ornament set that I purchased on Amazon for $16.59. I purchased the Loctite Ultra Liquid Control Superglue from Walmart for $3.47. My first container is complete and it is so cute. I love the light pink and red on the white background. Pink Parfait is the perfect bubblegum pink shade. For this container, I will be using these foam conversation heart stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. My second container is now complete. It was so simple. All I did was peel off the backing and stick them on. And these sayings are so adorable. Moving on to the trays, starting off with the red one. These hearts are from the Shapenty 100-piece wooden heart set that I purchased on Amazon for $7.99. After gluing a mini heart into each corner of the tray, I will then glue a pink ornament in the center. My first tray is done. I went over the mini hearts with some white paint, and then I also attached a decorative heart to the front of the tray, and that added such a nice detail. I love how this looks. For my second tray, I will be using the Holicolor 120-piece candy resin charm set that I purchased on Amazon for $13. I tried out a few different designs and I ended up going with an all pink theme since the tray is pink. My second tray is complete and it is so cute. I love these candy charms and I'm happy that I went with an all pink theme. For my third DIY, I made a simple garland using the heart ornaments and the red strings that came with them, and I just used the different phrases available in the pack. I affixed the strings to the back of the ornaments using the conversation hearts. I alternated between white and pink. This is a neat idea if you plan on hanging up your garland in a window. This way the back looks nice as well. For my sweet themed garland, I decided to turn the hearts into cookies. I attempted a dripping frosting design on several hearts. I actually did 5, but this one was my favorite. As you can see in my left hand, I have another one that I tried it on, but it didn't come out as well. So I have a different design for these hearts. I will be decorating my cookies with the Ehope fake rainbow sprinkles that I purchased on Amazon for $6.59. I am using the wood glue to adhere the sprinkles to the cookie. I thought that would work best because it's thick enough for the sprinkles to sink down into so they won't fall off, and it dries clear. For my last 2 cookies, I wrote "Be Sweet," and I'm going to go over it with the Magenta paint by Prang that I purchased from Dollar Tree. My sweet themed cookie garland is complete and I love how it came out. It is so cute. I went and added some candies in between the cookies. I thought they would make a great addition to this sweet garland. I had so much fun making this video and creating all of these DIY Valentine's Day room decor pieces. It was very relaxing. All of the products that I used will be available in the description. Comment below which style is your favorite. I personally love both. But this year for Valentine's Day, I will be doing a sweet themed vanity. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye loves!